Hello, dear learners. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at home. So, let's start today's GK class. In today's class, we will do the third page of your book, and page title is City Sobriquets. So, in this page, you have to match the city name with its sobriquets. Means you can understand sobriquets by means subnames. Okay. So first city name is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is also known as the Silicon Valley of India because it has a IT park and many software or IT companies are there. So it is also called the Silicon Valley of India. So match Bengaluru with D. Next is Alleppey. Alleppey, it is in Kerala. So it is also known as the Venice of East. It is also known as the Venice of East because of its beauty. Third is Lucknow. This is the very popular name. Many of you knows about it. So Lucknow is also called the city of Nawabs. Yes. So match it with, where is that option? I. City of Nawabs. Okay. Now next come to the fourth city name, Mysore. Mysore is also called the sandalwood city because of the large production of sandalwood. Okay, so Mysore is also called the sandalwood city. Option O, the last matching. Option number O. Next is Mumbai. So you can match Mumbai with H, Gateway of India. Next is Surat. So you should match Surat with option N, the Diamond City of India, because of because in Surat diamonds are found at very large scale. Okay. Next is Nagpur, which is also very popular fabricate. Nagpur is also called the orange capital of India because of the large production of orange. Okay, so match Nagpur with option L. Next is Kolkata. So you should match Kolkata, the city of palaces. Kolkata is also called the city of palaces. Okay, so 8th till 8th I explained you, and it's your homework to complete and match remaining city with their suitable subdicates. Okay, so now I'm going to page number 4, and this page is about some buildings from the past. Here you all can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 pictures are given. First picture is of India Gate, second is Ajanta Caves, third picture is Hampi Ruins and Dilwara Jain Temple, and last is Victoria Palace. So these all are the pictures, and here 5 hints are given, and some details are given about these monuments. So you have to read the hints, and you have to identify about which monument they are talking. Okay, so the first hint is it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Karnataka. It was a part of an ancient Vijayanagara Empire and has many monuments depicting respecting the magnificence of those times. So, the monuments which depicting the magnificence of those times. So, can you guess it? These are Hampi ruins. Okay, because Hampi ruins, it was the capital of Vijayanagar Empire, and it is destroyed by the sultans as their empire defeated from them. So it became ruins. So it was the part of an ancient Vijayanagar Empire. Actually, it was the capital of. Okay. So now it became the pilgrimage center of the Hindu religion. And do you know it is spread over 4,100 hectare or approximately 16 square meters. Okay, and it is very popular. Next we have this monument of white marble was built in Kolkata in the memory of Queen Victoria of England. It is now a museum and has a statue of Victory at the top, which rotates with the wind. Can you guess this monument? It's Victoria Palace. Okay, it was built in the memory of Queen Victoria and it is situated in Kolkata. Okay, and do you know that the marble which is used which is used in the making in this palace, it was brought from Rajasthan, Makrana. So this is one of its specialty that the marbles was brought from Rajasthan. The third hint we have, the monument in New Delhi was built in honor of the Indian soldiers who died during the First World War. The names of these soldiers are inscribed on its wall. So I think you all can easily guess it. Yes, it's a pride, it's India Gate. Okay, so I have okay, do you know the height of India Gate? It's 43 meters. Okay, the height of India Gate is 43 meters. Okay, so now three I have solved, remaining two you all will attempt. Okay, I will post the answers, but first you have to try, you have to attempt. Okay, so complete the remaining part of these exercises and take care of yourselves. See you in the next class. Bye.